Have you ever gotten a Pocket listing and wondered, now what? How do I let as many people know about my Pocket as possible? You start by emailing, cold calling. You try marketing your Pocket in your office. Well, that's not only time-consuming, but also ineffective. You start to become frustrated. But with over 23% of all properties being sold off the market, you need to have an effective way to promote your Pocket listings. Which brings me to Pocket Mint. Pocket Mint is the most effective way for agents to promote their Pocket listings to the entire real estate community. It is the most efficient way to search for other agents' Pockets, because you don't know who has a buyer for your Pocket. Because sharing Pockets with your office or database is not enough. Pocket Mint agents are able to share any Pocket with their buyer, get notified via email of new Pocket listings in their areas of interest, confidentially contact other Pocket Mint agents. Try Pocket Mint free today. Your buyers and sellers will thank you.